Are you tired of boring lunches? Do you crave something fresh, healthy, and incredibly simple to make? Get ready to transform your midday meal with a recipe that's bursting with flavor and takes mere minutes to prepare. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a global kitchen staple. They offer a delightful firm texture and a mild nutty flavor. You can find them dried or conveniently canned. For this recipe, we're using canned chickpeas. This choice makes our salad incredibly fast and effortlessly easy. It's perfect for those busy days when time is of the essence. A chickpea salad is far more than just beans and dressing. It's a vibrant symphony of fresh vegetables, aromatic herbs, and bright citrus notes. Each bite delivers a delightful crunch. You'll experience a pop of tang and a wonderfully smooth, creamy texture from the beans. The flavors are perfectly balanced, and the textures complement each other beautifully. The result is a salad that feels both light and satisfyingly filling. This incredible salad adapts to countless situations. It's ideal as a quick, nutritious lunch. You can also serve it as a refreshing side dish at dinner. Planning an outdoor gathering? This salad travels exceptionally well for picnics and potlucks. Plus, you can prepare it ahead of time and refrigerate it. The flavors truly develop and deepen in the fridge, making it taste even better after a short rest. The recipe you're about to discover is wonderfully simple. It relies on ingredients readily available in most grocery stores. There's no need for exotic spice blends or rare produce. You won't require any hard-to-find oils either. All you need are a few basic kitchen tools. A bowl, a knife, and a measuring cup are truly all that's necessary to create this masterpiece. Beyond its ease, this salad is incredibly healthy. Chickpeas are packed with protein and fiber. They help keep you feeling full for longer periods. They also contribute to steady blood sugar levels. The fresh vegetables add a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and vibrant color. Olive oil provides healthy fats, while lemon juice delivers a boost of vitamin C. Fresh herbs like parsley add incredible flavor without extra calories. One of the best things about this recipe is its flexibility. You can easily customize it to suit your personal taste. Add crisp cucumber for extra crunch or juicy tomatoes for a burst of sweetness. Consider red onion for a sharper bite or scallions for a milder flavor. Fold in crumbled feta for creamy richness or briny olives for depth. You can even swap the herbs. Try fresh mint, cilantro, or dill. Each variation maintains the simple core steps of the recipe. Before we dive into the preparation, let's gather everything. Having your tools and ingredients ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. A clean work surface is always helpful for staying organized. You'll need a medium mixing bowl. This provides ample space to combine all your ingredients. A small bowl or jar with a lid is perfect for shaking up the dressing. Grab your measuring cups and spoons for precise ingredient amounts. A sharp chef's knife and a sturdy cutting board are essential for preparing your vegetables. Don't forget a colander or fine mesh sieve for rinsing the chickpeas. Finally, a salad server or 2 large spoons will help you toss and serve. A citrus juicer or even just a fork can assist with extracting lemon juice. This recipe is designed for speed and convenience. The ingredient preparation takes approximately 15 minutes. If you choose the optional marinating step, allow an additional 10 to 20 minutes. Your total active time in the kitchen will be around 15 minutes. Including the marinating, the total time is up to 35 minutes. You can certainly skip the marinating step if you're in a hurry. The salad will still be delicious. However, marinating truly helps the flavors meld beautifully. Here's a detailed look at the fresh, simple ingredients you'll need. We'll provide both common US measurements and their metric equivalents. Remember, these are approximate, and you can always adjust to your preference. You'll need 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas, which is about 2 times 425 grams. Make sure they are drained well. For the dressing, grab 3 tablespoons, 45 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil. Fresh lemon juice is key. You'll need 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters. For your vegetables, prepare half a small red onion, finely diced, which is roughly 75 grams. You'll also need 1 medium cucumber, diced, about 200 grams. A cup of cherry tomatoes, halved, equals about 150 grams. Fresh parsley is essential for brightness. Aim for a 1/4 cup chopped or 15 grams. Season with half a teaspoon, 2.5 grams of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon, 0.5 grams of ground black pepper. Finally, 1 minced garlic clove adds a wonderful aromatic depth. To elevate your salad even further, consider these optional additions. 1/4 cup, 50 grams of crumbled feta cheese adds a creamy, tangy element. For a briny, savory kick, include 1/4 cup, 40 grams of pitted Kalamata olives. These additions truly enhance the Mediterranean feel of the salad. Now, let's get into the heart of the recipe. Follow these clear, easy steps to create your perfect chickpea salad. Each step is designed to be straightforward and efficient. Start by placing your canned chickpeas in a colander. Rinse them thoroughly under cold, running water. This helps remove any excess sodium and improves their texture. After rinsing, shake the colander well to remove as much excess water as possible. You want your chickpeas to be relatively dry, so they can absorb the dressing effectively. Next, it's time to prepare your fresh vegetables. Dice the cucumber into bite-sized pieces. Have your cherry tomatoes for easy eating and a burst of juiciness. Finally, dice the red onion. A fine dice ensures its flavor is well distributed without being overpowering. Mince your garlic clove very finely. Finally, chop your fresh parsley. Keep each prepared vegetable in its own small pile on your cutting board for easy assembly. In a small bowl or a jar with a lid, combine the extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, minced garlic, salt, and black pepper. If using a bowl, whisk vigorously until the oil and juice emulsify, creating a slightly thicker, cohesive dressing. If using a jar, simply secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously until the ingredients are well combined and emulsified. This dressing is the flavor backbone of your salad. Now grab your medium mixing bowl, add the rinsed and drained chickpeas to the bowl. Then, carefully add your chopped cucumber, halved cherry tomatoes, finely diced red onion, and chopped fresh parsley. Pour the prepared dressing evenly over all the ingredients in the bowl. Use your salad server or 2 large spoons to gently toss everything together. Ensure all the ingredients are evenly coated with the delicious dressing. If you've decided to include the optional ingredients, now is the time to add them. Gently fold in the crumbled feta cheese. Then, add the pitted Kalamata olives. These additions will introduce wonderful new textures and flavors. Toss gently once more to distribute them throughout the salad. For the best flavor development, cover the bowl and refrigerate your salad for 10 to 20 minutes. This short marinating period allows all the flavors to meld and deepen. The chickpeas will absorb more of the dressing's deliciousness. If you're truly short on time, you can skip this step. The salad will still be incredibly tasty and ready to enjoy immediately. However, a little rest makes a big difference. Before serving, give the salad one final gentle toss, then take a small bite to taste. This is your chance to adjust the seasoning to your preference. You might find it needs a little more salt, a touch more black pepper, or an extra squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. Adjust until it tastes perfect to you. Once you're happy with the flavor, transfer your beautiful chickpea salad to a serving bowl. Use your salad servers or large spoons to present it neatly. It's now ready to be enjoyed as a light lunch, a vibrant side, or whatever your meal calls for. Achieving a perfect chickpea salad is easy with a few simple tricks. These tips will ensure your salad is always at its best. Plus, we'll explore exciting ways to make this recipe uniquely yours. First, always drain your chickpeas exceptionally well. Any excess water will dilute your delicious dressing, weakening the flavors. Second, prioritize using fresh lemon juice. Bottled lemon juice simply doesn't offer the same bright, vibrant taste. Third, aim for uniform chopping. Evenly sized pieces not only look more appealing, but also ensure that the ingredients mix and distribute more evenly throughout the salad. If you prefer a looser salad, feel free to add a little more olive oil. Finally, don't be afraid to spice it up. A pinch of red pepper flakes or a dash of ground cumin can add a wonderful warmth and kick. This recipe is a fantastic canvas for creativity. For a Mediterranean style, consider adding finely chopped bell pepper and a handful of fresh chopped mint. This enhances the fresh, aromatic profile. For a Southwest twist, swap the parsley for fresh cilantro. Then, add some sweet corn kernels and a small diced avocado for creaminess. If you love herbs, replace the parsley with a delightful mix of chopped basil, oregano, and dill for an herbed mix. You can even transform this into a hearty grain bowl. Simply serve your chickpea salad over a bed of fluffy quinoa or wholesome brown rice. Each variation keeps the core preparation steps the same. Just swap or add your chosen ingredients before tossing everything with the dressing. This versatile salad can be enjoyed in many ways. Serve it simply on a bed of mixed greens for a light and refreshing meal. Scoop it into warm pita pockets, perhaps with a dollop of hummus for a satisfying sandwich. It also makes an excellent topping for grilled chicken or fish. A generous spoonful adds freshness and flavor to your protein. For a fun twist, use it as a flavorful taco filling, complemented by salsa and avocado slices. This salad truly works as a standalone dish or a perfect accompaniment to simple proteins. Planning ahead is easy with this recipe. Knowing how to store your chickpea salad properly ensures you can enjoy it for days. Store any leftover chickpea salad in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will keep beautifully for 3 to 4 days, making it an excellent option for meal prep. Freezing this salad is not recommended, as the vegetables tend to become watery and lose their texture when thawed. If you notice any liquid accumulating at the bottom of the container, simply drain it before serving. Give the salad a light toss again to refresh the flavors before enjoying. This quick and easy chickpea salad is truly a game changer. It's healthy, incredibly versatile, and requires only simple tools and fresh ingredients. With just about 15 minutes of active prep time, you can have a delicious meal ready. The optional marinating step deepens the flavors, but it's not essential if you're short on time. You have endless possibilities to customize it with different herbs, spices, or add-ins like avocado. It makes a satisfying side dish or a light, fulfilling main meal. Plus, the leftovers keep well for several days, making it a smart choice for your weekly meal planning. Give this fantastic recipe a try this week. You'll be amazed at how simple and delicious it is. It could very well become a staple in your regular rotation. Don't let another boring lunch pass you by. Hit that like button if you're ready to try this recipe. Subscribe to our channel for more quick, healthy, and delicious meal ideas. And share this video with a friend who needs a lunch upgrade. Let us know in the comments what your favorite chickpea salad variation is.